Dell 5525 G15. Unity System Solutions. Perpetual high performance. You may enjoy strong and reliable high-end performance throughout every gaming session when using next-generation AMD Ryzen processors and tuned performance settings. Processor: AMD Ryzen 56600H. Video card: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, 4GB GDDR6. Memory: 8GB, 1x8GB, DDR5, 4800 MHz. Storage: 512GB, M2, PCIe SSD. Ports: 3 SuperSpeed USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port with DisplayPort Alt mode, USB 4 Type C port with DisplayPort Alt mode available with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics and above. 1 HDMI 2.1 port, 1 headphone, mic port, 1 RJ45 port, 1 power in port. Display: 15.6 FHD 1920x 1080, 120Hz, WVA, non-touch, anti-glare, 250 nit, narrow border, LED backlit. Keyboard: US English Orange QWERTY backlit keyboard with numeric keypad and G key. Game Shift technology. Give yourself a turbo boost of power with a simple press of a button. The Game Shift function is activated by pressing Fn plus the Game Shift F9 key and triggers a dynamic performance mode within the Alienware command center by maximizing the fan speed to keep your system cool while the processors work harder. Chassis: plastic resin, plastic painting, speckle resin. Primary battery: 3-cell battery, 56 Wh integrated. Audio and speakers: 1 headset, headphone and microphone combo, port stereo speakers with Realtek ALC 3204, 2W by 2.5W dual array microphones.